Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. This is going to be the first example about adding and subtracting on like fractions. Adding and subtracting on like fractions. Here we have fractions with different denominators. These type of fractions, we call them unlike. Yes, unlike fractions. So we cannot, and I want to memorize this, we cannot add or subtract fractions with different denominators. So what is the process we need to follow? We need to make a process to convert both denominators into the same denominator. That process is the process that we call least common multiple or least common denominator in this case, right? So we have to think if we can convert the smallest number into the biggest number. Yes, we need to think all the time about that. Can we convert the 4 into the 12? 4 is the lowest number, it's the smallest, and 12 is the biggest. Can we convert the 4 into the 12? The answer is yes, by using multiplication tables. How do I make that the 4 becomes 12? Using multiplication tables. You need to know multiplication tables. 4 times 3, it becomes 12. But 4 times 3, I have to do the same procedure with the numerator, with the number on top. Why? Because the 4 is not alone. The 4 has, let's say, has a partner up or over it, right? So that's why we need to multiply both numbers of the fractions in the process. So the new exercise is going to be 5 times 3, 15, and 4 times 3, 12, plus 8 out of 12. Yes? Now the fractions are like. We have like fractions. And I have already explained how to solve addition and subtraction of like fractions, right? Because they're like, we keep the same denominator in the answer. Yes, we keep the same denominator in the answer, and we solve the operations on top. 15 plus 8 is 23. And we always have to write the answer in the simplest form. But in this case, what happened? What happens is like 23. 23 is a prime number. So we cannot divide 23 by 2. We cannot divide 23 by 3. We cannot divide 23 by 5, or by 9, or by 6, or by 10. So 12 is divisible by 2, is divisible by 3 as well, is divisible by 4, and also divisible by 6, but 23 is the problem. So we cannot simplify this fraction. So this is the answer in the simplest form, because actually we cannot simplify. Basically, this is the process. I will record 4 examples, or maybe 5 examples, explaining how to add and subtract on like fractions. Thanks for watching this first video. See you next time. Bye-bye.